Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Riemann sums look intimidating, but you can master them in 60 seconds. Let us break down this calculus problem quickly to find the correct answer together. First, find the width of each subinterval. With 8 intervals over the range from 2 to 6, the width is the total length divided by 8, which equals 1/2. Boom! For a right Riemann sum, the kth endpoint is the start value 2 plus k times the width. This gives us the expression 2 plus k over 2. You got this. Finally, combine these into the Riemann sum formula. We sum f of xk times delta x from 1 to 8, which matches our derived expression perfectly. Let us go. Clear win! Scan now. Avoid the trap of ignoring the start value or misreading the weight. Always apply the endpoint formula and sum from 1.